Let's talk about the latest launched REALME smartphone V60 Pro with ultra-slim design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, and 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with auxiliary lens camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front facing camera. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of RAM, with 12 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.69 by 76.22 by 7.99 mm, and it weighs around 197 grams, and the color options: rock black, obsidian gold, lucky red colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5600 mAh battery, with 45-watt wired SuperVOOC fast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, mono speaker with 200% ultra boom volume support, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The REALME V60 Pro has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this REALME V60 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.